Business is a never-ending cycle of challenges. Hi guys, this is Ai again, your millennial negosyante, and I'm here to help you guys to know more about franchising. And here are common misconceptions when franchising here in the Philippines. So number one, franchising is a guaranteed success. No! Franchising is not a guaranteed success. Franchising gives you the system, yung sistema lang. But you still need to make an effort as the branch owner, create your own management, and put your own dedication. Hindi porket dedicated si franchise or ikaw hindi na magiging successful ka na. That is a no-no. Franchising is not a guaranteed success. It's always expensive. Hindi naman. Hindi lahat ng franchising mahal, no? Meron din dyan ng mga affordable. But of course, magiging affordable kapag may enough savings ka talaga. When franchising, tip ko lang sa inyo, huwag lang kayo mag-focus, mag-save ng money for franchising. Mag-focus din kayo sa cash flow ninyo, no? Cash flow is the life of the business. Number 3, you don't need the business skills anymore. No, hindi ganun yun. Siyempre, kailangan mo pa rin ng skills with the franchise system na i-execute para sa inyo. You still need to learn how to be a leader. You still need to learn how to market your business. You still need to learn if business format ka ng customer service skill. Yes, you have franchised a certain brand, but doesn't mean na yung itinuro sa'yo, yun na yung susundin ng mga tao mo. Dapat ikaw din marunong ka rin yung mga skills set na yun. Number 4, all franchises are the same. No! Each brand has different support, fees, profitability. Research is the key. So don't just rely on the package na sinesend sa inyo ng inyong mga franchises na yan. I-research, i-backtrack nyo sila through social media, through web, i-research nyo. Always ask questions until you make a decision kasi that is your money. Number 5, ROI is a guarantee. No! Nakasalalay pa rin yan sa sipag mo talaga, sa napili mong location, sa management ng franchises, and nakasalalay din sa demand ng location mo. No? Hindi porke nag-franchise ka ng ganitong brand na sobrang kilala ang dami, magiging successful ka na. Hindi ganon. At the end of the day, you just franchise the system, the name of the brand, pero it is still your own business, no? Sa'yo pa rin yan. Hindi mo i-rely lahat sa franchising mo na, hindi ako kumikita ngayon, what to do. No, it's up to you to make a decision, to create a strategy para malampasan mo yung challenge na yun. Take note, business is a never-ending cycle of challenges. No, yan ang natutunan ko all these years ng pagnenegosyo ko, na hindi natatapos ang problema. So, as a business owner, you always spare a time to take a rest and sit down, no? To calm yourself, then go back, fight again. So, this has been Ai. Thank you so much for watching and knowing the common misconception when franchising here in the Philippines. If you want to know more about this kind of topic, you can comment below or maybe message me if you want to request a certain topic here in Millennial Negosyante page. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been Ai, your Millennial Negosyante, and I'll see you around.